Welcome to Future Lists. Today, this video will introduce amazing inventions that are on another level.
SMP Robotics is proud to present our third generation of patrol robots, the S5.2. This brings together our most advanced technology from a 10-year period of autonomous mobile robot development. These robots provide round-the-clock autonomous patrols. Powered by the NVIDIA TX2 chipset and artificial intelligence, the analytics detect and track people. It will even highlight faces and alert the operator when there is a threat. In addition, the onboard alarm will help prevent offense and stop intrusion. Using autonomous robots will significantly reduce the number of personnel while reducing the risks and uncertainties associated with human factors. By using artificial intelligence, groups of robots operate together to ensure the highest level of protection. The robots will automatically distribute themselves throughout the protected area, eliminating blind spots and providing comprehensive coverage of a site. They will even continue to monitor while charging. The S5.2 robots provide unlimited opportunities for protection. A few of the applications include industrial enterprises, factories, and infrastructure projects.
There's a lot of things that you need to do on the surface of another planet, such as exploring a site or maybe correcting an instrument or creating a temporary shelter to shield from dust or wind on Mars. We are looking into a swarm of soft robots that can move around the surface of another planet and then link together and create these temporary structures or do various tasks that we need them to do.
Right now, what we're focusing on is some different properties for these soft robots. We've been using silicone by 3D printing molds, pouring the molds, and then peeling out the silicone from there. And we've been able to make different pneumatic networks within the silicone so that when they're inflated, we have different types of actuation. So we're investigating these different properties so we can think about, okay, what would this look like on a lunar surface or a Martian surface? Some of the advantages for soft robotics are that they're very compliable, so you can twist, hammer, and then they still work. Soft robotics are good because they're compliable. They deform and can hold these objects better than a traditional robot, which is very rigid.
This is important because soft robots are extremely resilient to damage, and so they can be used for a lot of things. And if they're able to move around and create structures in different locations, they can create a structure, break down, and then move and create another temporary structure. So there's a lot of reusability factors.
Meet Luka, a storyteller from asteroid 501 of the Ling Galaxy. Luka came to the Earth to read thousands of picture books from Luka's library and yours. Luka can read to kids in English, Chinese, and many other languages. Tap on Luka's right wing to start reading.
Please let me see the book cover.
Turn to any page in any order, and Luka will read it to you, encouraging kids to read their favorite books and discover new ones.
That was a party. I saw people from Dingling Down Country dancing.
Kids love Luka's abundant children's audio stories and songs. Luka isn't just for reading and stories. Luka's Parrot Mode helps parents teach good habits.
The toothbrush competition is starting. Who will be the champion? Me! The champion gets to pick their favorite book, and I will read it aloud.
Give your children a passion for reading. Whether you are with them or far away, the adventure continues. Growing independent readers for life. Love reading. Grow with Luka.
Of our company, that is to enhance the mobilization of the people so they have as good as physical condition as they can have.
The idea behind Robotics and the way it works is that you bring it to the patient's bed, so it's a mobile platform it's on. You bring it to the patient bed, so you put this type of fixture onto the leg of the patient. You demonstrate a exercise route for the robot, and then it copies that and replicates it for an amount of exercises that is needed for this specific patient.
We have modified a robot from KUKA doing mobilization of bedridden persons. It simply takes their leg, and by just pressing one button, the professional can do the exact movement he and she would like to do with the patient, and the robot record it and repeat it as many times as they would like to.
In our development, we tried other types of robot arms where we didn't find sort of the needs that we were looking for, in the sense that the true benefit of the LBR Med are that it completely copies your route. So it's not like from A to B to C, so it's like a straight line. It completely follows the route, which is a necessity in these types of exercises, because otherwise you may risk the patient state. So that's one of the benefits. Another one is, of course, that it was approved as a component for medical devices, and therefore the integration, the whole certification, which is also a big part of this, was an easier path for us, because then we more or less only have to build our application on top of this, and yeah, it made our life easier.
We start to have a pan-European platform, and then we would like to have a global platform and global partners. And there we are pleased that we are working with KUKA, where we have, that's really something new. So we have brought something new to the market that has pro and that has cons to be the first mover.
with our picks? You'll find links in the description to these gadgets if they sparked your creativity and interest. Comment below on which gadget was your favorite. Be sure to check out our other clips from future lists, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. We'll catch you in the next one.